Your child clicks a scam link. What would you do? Hello parents and to everyone online. Your child just clicked a scam link. What would you do? A. Take the phone away. B. Tell them to close the link. Or C. Find out what happened first. Correct answer? C. Find out what happened first. May na-enter ba silang password? Change it. May na-download ba silang file? Don't open. Delete it. And meron ba silang na-enter na personal or financial information? Contact the bank right away. Mistakes happen. Ang importante, alam ng anak mo na pwede silang magsabi sa'yo pag may nangyaring mali online. Follow TechWise Dad for more family tech tips.